dear subscribers, that I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive error on your Instagram, couldn't post, tap to Retry. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this problem, so just go to App Store. In the App Store, you just need to go to search tab. In the search, just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates. Just download and install them on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.